today busy. Busy. I am making an adapter plate for this guy. Where are we here? RF watt meter model 11-14 MC Jones Electronics Company Inc. I can't quite read that through the iPad, but okay. It's got a carrying handle. What is that? There we go. Red. Warning! Hold on, I gotta study this thing. $600 continuous rating. Okay, so that's this section here. Okay. This is insulated from this ground. It's insulated. I put a rubber seal in here, along with this part of it, still part of it. I'll be using part of HMCS Columbia for the extension. This is their antenna system, like off the Navy ships. That will go up here. Okay. Excuse me. And this got hollow here, so that'll be insulated from ground. To do that, mount this thing. Beautiful stuff. I'm building this adapter plate here. So already drilled the holes. As for the adapter for the Columbia HMCS Columbia RF thing, and then this will bolt on here. Oh, this hole's good. Oops. So I got that drilled out. I'm gonna make sure the spacing, the hole spacing, is A-OK. No interference. Very hard to film here. So a makeshift tool post holder. That works. I'll eventually have a slotted bolt to hold it, but it does work. Don't do this at home. So I normally go in like so. And we turn it on. There we go. There we go. God, it's hard to focus. Somehow get lighting in there. A little bit of vibration, but it's working fine. I cannot film with an iPad and a machine tool. Totally ridiculous. Dangerous too. I'm gonna follow this here. Let's go. Alright. Cutting nicely. Don't recommend anybody doing this. I just too lazy to make my holder. This is my special holder for this particular lathe because the compound for it was missing, so I got a substitute compound, but too high. And I don't want to mess with cutting anything off of that, so I decided to make this tool. And that'll work just fine. Okay, well, maybe I get my hand in the way here all the time. Using a 4-jaw chuck, and this lathe I built myself, put it together, got parts and pieces for it over time. You can see, drive mechanism up here, pulleys and flat belts and pillow blocks, woohoo! Oh yeah, I should use this. This is for feeding it up and down. I'd like to use gearing, but I'm not now. It's working fine. Nice lathe. I had to build this part here, the bead screw section. Look at it again. Seneca Falls lathe has all in pieces, just different parts and different things. They all, I know that they would fit together. I had to do a little bit of scraping, but it is very accurate. And to operate it this way, now we got this hand with the shaft. Very slowly. It's really hard to film. Very hard to film. I'm trying to fiddle with this damn light. Anyway. Excuse my French. It's very nice lathe. I use it a number of times for building stuff. And I might get this motorized. Because it's actually my modification, which drives the carriage back and forth. I haven't got it engaged right now. When you turn this, carriage screw moves, turns around and drives it back and forth. I was thinking about different speeds for this, when you use a very small motor. Put a rubber belt around it because it doesn't take much to turn this. That's how it works. I like doing crazy things, so that turns this all down. They could have a nice slow turning system, or yeah. Well, anyway, it's working good. I'll finish up. Now 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Well, here's my modified table saw for cutting metal. You can tell by the blade there, the red one. It's on wheels with a motor and everything. The table saws are pretty big, but I wanted my own. So I do all sorts of crazy things. Right, Mr. EVO. What do we do? Oh, I don't know. What happens if I go this way? Okay. That's not slow. Well, let's see. Unlock that off the screw. Move it forward. Move it this way. I think. Turn this. Engage. Lead screw. Cutting very fine. Disengage. Go my hand this way because this. Oh, there we go. This is too fast. Because connected to gearing. I want it to be very slow, and I have this mechanism here to make it very slow. Okay, I guess I'm going to shut up now. I'm having fun today with trying to film something. Yeah, iPad, I don't know. Need somebody else to film. Turn it off. We got a good hole there. It's going to insulate away from the center part, which is right here. Don't want the metal touching that. At all. Okay, that's enough of that.